heiti Ester Eva Ingimarsdóttir og ég í Borgarlandsskóla. Ég ætla að taka When I Was Your Man með Bruno Mars. Ég held að einhver mjög góð söngvari sé að fara að vinna tónlistina. Þetta í fyrsta skipti sem ég tek þátt í tónlistinni. Ég hef eiginlega verið að syngja síðan ég man eftir mér, held ég. Ég ætla mér að verða leikkona þegar ég verð stór.
Lag númer 2. When I Was Your Man. Ester Eva.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh. Cause a good strong woman like you to walk out my life. Now I never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, and it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have given you all my words when I had that chance. Take it to everybody, 'cause all you wanted to do was stay. Dance now, my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take it to every party, 'cause I remember how much you loved to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man.